Hello everyone, today I'm to unboxing Simplex Sungun Light. It's called Sungun Super White Bright Light, and 240 volt 1000 watt lamp is free with this product. You can use this above camera. Okay, now I am unboxing it. It's very simple to use.
Jack it up.
You can buy this type of product from Amazon. I will give some link, Amazon link. You can buy from those links. This light is free with this product. Actually, when I purchased this, I installed this light. So we will check out how actually this performs. Very simple to use this system. So guys, you now see this actually is very bright. Who wants to buy a cheap sun guns? This is ideal for them. Subscribe my channel and stay with awesome video.